Halting climate change and biodiversity loss requires us to transition urgently to new ways of growing the food and resources we need, while also restoring and protecting the forests we depend on. Such a transformation requires significant investment. At present, however, private investment in businesses that combine forest restoration with their production activities is still limited due to high perceived risk, limited track record, and lack of bankable projects. To attract more private investment in this area, the UN Environment Programme has created the Restoration Seed Capital Facility. This finance facility will help to direct investments to business models that combine the restoration and protection of forests with sustainable agriculture and forestry, thereby providing a sustainable livelihood for local communities. The Restoration Seed Capital Facility will achieve this objective by providing 3 lines of pre-investment support on a cost-sharing basis. The first of these will help fund managers raise new investment funds, targeting activities aligned with forest restoration. The second and third support lines will concern already established funds, whereby the facility will first provide co-funding for early-stage pipeline development and subsequently focus on helping projects reach financial close. This will accelerate the rate at which these innovative solutions get financed, increasing the flow of investments aimed at reversing the loss and degradation of forests, ultimately contributing to humanity's goals of fighting climate change, reversing biodiversity loss, and providing a sustainable livelihood for all.